Alright, so we still got to do some more work on this thing. Still trying to dial in some stuff. I was waiting for this little kit that I have here. I'll show you what it is. It came with this thing here, which the spring return, Chris made one, but I didn't really want one that didn't have some sort of a stop system. So it's kind of more of what I was looking for. And this one just came in this little kit thing with some springs and stuff. And I'm going to see if this actually brings it down to an idle better than the other. And I'll try it out real quick here. Maybe I'll take it for a little short drive. I'm not sure. But yeah, I could probably do that. But I'm going to actually fire this thing up cold real quick, and then we'll listen to it. I'm just checking a few more things here. It came with another part too that you can put on here, and then you can make your own linkage type of setup. So I'm not sure if I'm just going to leave it like this or not. Not really excited about the way the linkage is on this thing, because if you watch some of my other videos, you notice this goes down at an angle, and it kind of rubs on there pretty good. So I might put some grease on that real quick, and then we'll fire it up. We have a visitor. Okay, well, I'll put you guys right over here. We'll do a quick cold start maybe. Yeah, over here is better. Put it on the rocks. Okay, let's check it out. Sounds like there is no spark. I'm worrying about that. Like we have. It sounds like to me like there is no spark at all. Let's just see what's going on here. All right. Let's see what's cracking. You know, I've had a couple of concerns about something here, and I just haven't been able to get it to do it. So I'm curious if it's this. I mean, I can smell fuel, so it's got gas. I don't know if it has any spark. Let's try it again. Maybe it's those connections to those wires, or it could be something's going on with this unit inside here, because I keep on having, sometimes when I only drive it for a while, a little problem with it not wanting to start. And I've always been suspicious that it was no spark, and yeah, that kind of verifies it right there. Let's start up again. I gotta get it warmed up. It's gonna take a little bit. Bring you guys inside for a second so I can pause it. All right. All right, I'll bring you guys back in a minute. Open sesame. Alright, so I was going to take you guys for a ride, but the boss decided she wanted to go. So since she never and I mean pretty much never rides in the bug or bus. I didn't want to make it all about a video. So anyway, and have her move into the side while I'm trying to put the camera on the little stand. So anyway, I did drive it, and here it's not pulling back quite far enough. You know, the linkage is a little bit bindy, so I'm not sure. I've got to figure out something. It's something that's not returning all the way, so it's just getting to about right there, and then it just kind of doesn't want to go the rest of the way. It might be just because it's a little bit loose. I think this thing's just a little bit loose. That might be it. So I'll try tightening it up. But the issue with it not starting, I think, is I'm not sure. It's kind of weird. It's like it's happened a couple times, and every time I've done it, I've been able to just kind of wiggle these wires here, and then it starts right up. And they're new connectors, and they're pretty clean. But I think that these, you know, the electronic, you know, points thing, they just don't have really good, you know, maybe it's this one. It's a little bit loose, maybe. But yeah, it just doesn't have, I think it's got really low voltage or something through it, or it's very sensitive. Not a lot of, you know, if there's a little bit of resistance in there, it'll, yeah, it just doesn't really work or something the right way. So anyway, I don't have it on my other car with one of these, so it's only on this. It was on this before in the other engine too, so I don't know. Either I'm going to probably just get an extra one of these. They're only like the cheap ones from the Ampy ones are like 30 bucks. So have an extra set, you know, something like that, 35 bucks, just to have an extra, you know, igniter assembly. So I might just have an extra one with me in case it goes out. Then I could probably replace it if it went bad, versus trying to bring points in another distributor. Might be easier. I was going to bring another distributor when I go a long trip or something, but I think the points will probably make me worse. I don't know. Those condensers are so crappy today. Anyway, but hope you guys enjoy the check out the Mountain Dews. It's pretty cool. All right, talk to you in the next part. All right, so this is something we don't have very often. And I'm going to show you, we have a 360-degree snow on our mountains. And this has been up for a couple of days. I just finally got a chance to go over here. It snowed on Thanksgiving Day and right after. So then we do a little bit of a panoramic view. So we have snow on every mountain all the way around us. So that one there is up in the clouds, unfortunately. And that's part of the reason I couldn't take the video earlier. But those are like San Bernardino Mountains. That's where I got my blue car from up there. So then over here, it's like Big Bear Lake is on the, that's a little hill, and then on the other side of that, you can see that mountain over there. That's where Big Bear Lake is, up there. You guys back east or something. So then you go all the way over here, then you have near Palm Springs, you have this mountain, and it's covered in snow. I don't know if you can see that. The view is, it's kind of not as clear. It's about the clearest day we've had. Let me turn all the way around, and all the way over here in the bus, I was driving up here, they're way over there. If the sun's in your eyes, sorry, but you can see that mountain, which is, I think, what's that called? That one was called, I'm not San Jacinto, that one's San Luis Obispo Mountain, I think. That's got snow in it. So all the way around, let's go back around over here. That's a 360-degree view. Those are Los Angeles mountains over there. So every mountain here has snow on it. So we don't have this that often, especially this time of year. Photobomb. But this time of year, we don't usually have snow on our mountains this early, and we got it down to like less than 2,000 feet. So I thought I'd put that on the video. Thought you guys might like it. and we drove over in that right there. Doing a little test drive in there.